Hiya everyone. So welcome back. I haven't been here for ages of a lockdown, homeschooling. So I'm making memory dolphins. I'll show you the pattern. It's a Funky Friends factory pattern. Really lovely. I've cut the pieces out and laminated them. That's a pattern. I've made one, but I've not stuffed it yet. Quite cute. So I thought I'd show you how to make them right the way through to stuffing, and they're quite cute. This is a memory item. The differences I've done here is obviously I've not used Dolphin fabric because it's made from clothing from someone who's passed away. I've not used the prescribed eyes, which I will show you. I can find that little piece. I can here. So what they've done is they've given you a template to do felt eyes. I haven't used that. I've done plastic safety eyes. Tried that out on this one and works really well, I think. So I personalised these for the person who's having them, which I won't show you, but yes, this one's ready to stuff. Obviously the fin and the dorsal fin is stuffed whilst you go. There's a couple of things I've changed about how I constructed it compared to the pattern, and I'll tell you where I've done that and why as we go. Excuse my floppy mad hair, it's got a bit mad today. Lots and lots of damp up here in St Denis today, so I think it's just the atmosphere that has affected my hair. You can hear my dogs playing with their toys. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is change. Actually, it'll be right because you can't see it all. Right, so let's pattern pieces. So on this one, I'm just going to cover up the wording. You've got two side pieces which are mirrored. So there's the other one. You have two tail pieces mirrored, but actually it says mirrored, but when you draw it out they're exactly the same. Then you have an upper and lower nose piece. You have two sides to your dorsal fin, which is the fin on the top. Then you have four mirrored pieces, so you have two one way, two the other way for your side flippers, and then this is the belly. And I cut it so the detail on the clothing is on the belly, which I thought was quite nice. So that's what we're going to make. This is just the introduction because I've had the half in the back garden. I'll turn you slightly like that so you don't see it, and also I can push the screen down like this during making so we can see what I'm working on. So the first thing you need to do is get your pattern, cut out your pattern pieces. I always laminate them because it's easier to use them in future, and then get all those pieces. So also on top of that, you want coordinating thread, you need stuffing. I always use CE testing standard approved fire safety stuffing, because even though you can't completely CE test a memory item because you can't control the fabric you're using and do the testing for that and have the certificates in place for that, it is good, I think, to make it as safe as you possibly can. And then I used 12mm safety eyes. I buy these from my local haberdashery. If you're in Cornwall, or even actually in the UK, she has a Facebook page called Sew & Fabric, and she does do postal. So on the page you can link to her eBay shop and buy everything that I use everything from her. She is my main dealer. And I call her a dealer because I am literally obsessed with sewing and fabric and all haberdashery items and wool and yarn at the moment. I'm starting to crochet again. She's my dealer. I'm her customer. She's been my best friend during lockdown, bless her. She's been posting stuff out and dropping things off the door and all sorts. Love her. So yeah, I get these from her. All sorts of companies do them. You probably get them on eBay. I have used ones off eBay previously to these, and I didn't find the standard as good, and this plastic cap thing going over this was much harder, to the point that I had to use the hemostats and kind of grip and push it on, which then sometimes caused tearing and damage to the fabric that I was using. When you're using using it for memory keepers, you don't want to be causing any damage to that fabric, because it's not like you can go and get more of it. It's very, very special, limited availability. The person only wore one set of clothes and that's all I've been given, so I can't use anything that's not, you know, eBay has its place. Personally, for me, I didn't find the quality of the product good enough, so I would definitely say use the best you can get in those sort of items. So that's that for that little video. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you like what I do, and the next video will be making the bottom of the soft toy. I'll do it in stages and in videos, so if you attempt this pattern on your own, you just want a bit of a visual guide to one particular part of it, you can pick that video rather than doing the whole thing. It'll probably be like an hour-and-a-half video, which is very boring and laborious. There's only so much I can chat to you and make it entertaining. So the next part will be part 1. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.